Welcome to Food for Thought. 10 interesting facts about hot cross buns. A hot cross bun is a spiced sweet bun, marked with a cross on the top. You might know that hot cross buns are famously enjoyed on Good Friday and around Easter. Because health is wealth and knowledge is power. Nourish wisely with Food for Thought. Let's get started. The bun marks the end of the Christian season of Lent. Lent is a 40-day season of prayer, fasting, and almsgiving that begins on Ash Wednesday and ends at sundown on Holy Thursday. Although now associated with Easter, it is believed hot cross buns predate Christianity. During the pagan festival of Easter, the Saxons prepared and ate buns marked with a cross. The cross on the bun is thought to have represented the 4 quarters of the moon. Traditionally, they're made with dried fruit, such as sultanas, raisins or currants. Raisins can aid digestion, boost iron levels, and keep your bones strong. Don't forget to subscribe for more foodie facts. Cinnamon, nutmeg and allspice are what give the bun its distinct flavor. Nutmeg is a rich source of antioxidants, which help protect against the signs of aging. Hot cross buns were believed to have magical powers that protected ships from shipwreck. People also kept hot cross buns for medicinal purposes, believing if you gave one to someone who was ill, it would cure them. Ingredients include fresh yeast, flour, eggs, milk, brown sugar, butter, mixed spices and dried fruit. They're kind of a bread/cake hybrid. Each bun is decorated with a cross made from flour paste, which represents the cross on which Christ died. Those who share a hot cross bun are supposed to enjoy a strong friendship and bond for the next year. Thank you for watching.